Hi, in this video I will show how to use Xls to Pipe Delimiter converting app. It's an application that converts, it will take incoming Excel file, its old Excel format, Xls, and convert it into Pipe Delimited format file. This is my website. To find app, I will leave a link on this site into description. To find app, I will type in search Xls to Pipe. Yep, just click on a page, click on the download button to start downloading process and wait until a file will be downloaded. It will download file with installation inside from Google Cloud, and it's a relatively small file, and here it is. I'll just click on downloaded archive, click on MSI Inside Archive to start installation. Click on more info. I'm getting this screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher. You can see publisher unknown. I'll just click run anyway to start installation. Click on next install. Click on yes here and click on finish. And you can see app has been installed on my computer and I have a shortcut on my desktop. Now I can close this, minimize this, and I will double click on shortcut to launch app. And conversion is 3 steps process. On first step I have to select the XLS file. I will click step 1, I will click on input file, select input file to find my file. And for example I have this my events XLS I want to convert. I will click on that, click on next step, and there is no options on second step yet. If you think of any options for converting into pipe delimiter format, please let me know. I will add them and it will be available in next versions. But for now there is no options. Click next step. On step 3 I'll just click run to start conversion. Now I have to select name and location of the file. This name and location is okay. Just click save. And you can see file has been saved. I can go and open my file. I can open it with Notepad just to quickly show you what is this. So pipe delimiter is like this element is pipe delimiter, and original file we had. Let me open it. It was like this. So it will take Excel and convert it into pipe delimiter. And also I created another free app. It's for pipe delimiter viewer. It's capable to open a pipe delimiter file and quickly show it as a table. I can also sort, and also I can export into different format if you want. It's a separate app. I will leave link on this app into description. So this is what it's doing. It's just showing pipe delimiter. So basically that's it. We had our Excel file and converted into pipe delimited txt file. Some system accepting pipe delimited files as input data, so we can do it with this app. So basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. Thank you.